everyone, let's begin with our book in this video, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 4 by Sirfikera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with our new chapter, that is chapter number 8, and it is green magic. We are going to study about certain plants in this chapter. You know that trees are essential for our survival. वो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं for our survival. They keep our environment clean and green. What did they do? They actually clean our environment and they let it remain green. They absorb carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Now you all know that all humans and animals, they need oxygen for living, and what do? They take in CO2 or carbon dioxide, and what do they give to us? They give us oxygen, which is a very important gas which is helpful for our breathing. We grow different plants and trees for different purposes. हम सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन के लिए ही प्लांट्स को ग्रो नहीं करते, but we also grow them for various other purposes because they are very beneficial to us. They give you furniture, they give you medicines, and they help to clean the environment. They are home for many animals. They give you various other sources. They are as a source of food for us, and we have many other uses of them. These man-grown vegetation supplements the natural vegetation and helps to conserve our environment. So what humans have done, we have grown some of the vegetation supplements in the natural vegetation, and thus it has helped us to conserve our environment, to save or protect our environment. Now what you have to do is write one word answer against the descriptions given below. So you have to write one word answers for whatever the description has been given below. Let's now quickly begin with it. The first question is that a place where trees are grown in cluster, and the answer is Grove, grove. Then a place where young plants are grown to be sold, and that is known as nursery. Then third one, a place where fruit trees are grown, and that is called as orchard. Then the fourth one is a place with glass walls and glass roofs for keeping the plants warm in cold countries, and the answer for this is greenhouse. Next, a place where cotton, tea, rubber plants, etc. are grown, and this is known as plantation. Sixth one, a place where farmers labor hard to grow a crop is known as field. Then next, a place where flowering plants are grown, that is known as a garden. Then we have the eighth one, a place where grapes are grown, it is known as a vineyard. Vineyard. Then we have the ninth one, the last one, and it says that a place where wild plants, trees and creepers grow by themselves, यानी कि उनको उगाना नहीं पड़ता है, वो खुद ब खुद उग जाते हैं. That place is known as a forest. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.